What's up, YouTube? It's Gene Fetty back at you with another video and the final video for this channel. After several years of running the Institute and running our repair brand, Dent Repair Now, we've come to the decision that it's too difficult to focus on two directions, and we are moving the entire Institute into Dent Repair Now. In fact, we're calling it the Institute at Dent Repair Now. All of the same great classes that we've put together are available on there. If you're a former student, you haven't lost anything, you don't need to repurchase anything, you will simply get an email and log right into the Dent Repair Now website. All of your content will be there, plus likely some extra bonus free content. Head on over to the Dent Repair Now channel, at Dent Repair Now, right here on YouTube. Give us a subscribe so you can follow us. I guess ring the bell is what all the YouTubers say. So ring that bell, head on over there, check it all out. And more importantly, head on over to dentrepairnow.com/institute and get logged in and get your account going. Guys, thanks so much for supporting us on here all these years, all the likes, all of the comments, everything. Head on over to the Dent Repair Now channel. We're taking all of our great how-to videos that are on YouTube and moving them into that library and adding more and more into that brand. So guys, again, thank you so much for all of your support here. I can't wait to see you over on the Dent Repair Now channel. Until then, see ya.